Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, I'll show you exactly how to export translated subtitles in Subtitle Edit, so you can save your translated subtitle files separately from the original. Step 1. Start by opening your video file in Subtitle Edit. This helps you load the subtitles and see the original and translated versions side by side, making it easy to manage your work. Step 2. Next, use the auto-translate feature if you haven't already translated your subtitles. Subtitle Edit offers options like Google Translate, which is free and supports many languages to quickly translate your subtitles. Step 3. After your translation is complete, go to the File menu and select Save As. This option allows you to save the translated subtitles without including the original text. Step 4. When saving, notice that Subtitle Edit automatically changes the file extension based on the language you translated into. This is helpful because it keeps your files organized by language. Step 5. For more control, go to File, then click Close Original Subtitle. After that, return to File and hit Save As again. This ensures you're saving only the translated file with no original lines attached. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials.